I want to share with you something. Okay, so when I was learned English grammar rules, so that time I learned something like when we use did, जब हम did का use करते हैं, तो for example, did you call him or did you called him? Which one is correct? So what do you think? Which one is correct? Okay, so my dear friend, whenever you learn English grammar rules, so yes, definitely you know about this, that where you put verb की third form और verb की second form और first form, right? और हम जितने भी बिगिनर्स हैं ना, हम सबको पता है कि डिड के साथ कभी भी verb की थर्ड फॉर्म यूज़ ही नहीं होती है. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So as you know, my name is Anu Jagtap and I am from Madhya Pradesh. So if you are a beginner in English, so you have to watch this video till the end, because this time I will share that how to start speaking English at home for a beginner level. Okay, so earlier I was scared to speak English. I thought my English is not good. So how can I speak English with someone else, or how to start, right? आई नो सबके दिमाग में ये डर होता है. ठीक है, जब दिमाग में ये डर होता है तो वो बोल ही नहीं पाते इंग्लिश, राइट? दैट टाइम आई रियलाइज्ड दैट प्रैक्टिस इज़ मोर इम्पोर्टेंट दैन perfection, right? It's not worry if you are not perfect English, and don't think that I am be perfect in English then I start speaking English. No, you just start. It's you just push yourself. You just push yourself that you have to do it and you should do it. And definitely one day you will be able to speak English perfectly. So, my dear friend, still I am not perfect in English, but I start speak with someone else, or sometime I make a video. So, my dear friend, you just start. And the first thing is, हम सबको सबसे पहले हमारे बारे में जानना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. देखो फ्रेंड, होता क्या है ना, हम सब इंग्लिश बोलना तो चाहते हैं, बट प्रैक्टिस करने से भी डरते हैं. इवन हम सबसे डरते हैं. वो हमसे ज़्यादा अच्छा है तो हम कैसे बोल सकते हैं, हमें तो कुछ भी नहीं आता है, जबकि हमें आता है बट हम बोलते ही नहीं हैं. हमें उससे ज़्यादा आता है. आई वॉन्ट टू शेयर विद यू समथिंग. ओके, सो when I was learned English grammar rules, so at that time I learned something like when we use did, जब हम did का यूज़ करते हैं, तो for example, did you call him or did you called him? Which one is correct? So what do you think? Which one is correct? Okay, so my dear friend, whenever you learn English grammar rules, so yes, definitely you know about this, that where you put verb की third form और verb की second form और first form, right? और हम जितने भी बिगिनर्स हैं ना, हम सबको पता है कि डिड के साथ कभी भी verb की थर्ड फॉर्म यूज़ ही नहीं होती है. इट मीन्स पास्ट में, राइट? सो when I saw, when I listened from my friend's English, really, and she very good in English, but you know, when she started speaking with me and she speak that uh, she used did with verb की third form. So that time I realized everybody making mistakes, but they are still speak, and they speak with the confidence. So that's why we are not judging them. Okay, सो ऐसे ही जब हम भी इंग्लिश बोलते हैं तो हम डर जाते हैं, हम बोलते ही नहीं हैं. बट you have to speak English, you know, because every person making mistakes, yeah, and we are just beginner. So you should you should start speaking English.